So I have made 4 generations now, and as you can see, I ended up with a lot of blue. And remember, we're in a blue environment, so this is what you'd expect. So here's our initial histogram, where we had an even amount of blue, purple, and green. And then after 1 generation, we started getting more blue, and then it actually stayed the same for the next generation. And then it changed 9 blue, 2 purple, and then there's no more greens. So then if there's no more greens, they died out, so then they can't ever show up again. So 11 and a 1 is what we ended with. So this is our final ending histogram where most of the population is blue. So this is what we would expect. The variation decreased, so we have less numbers of colors, and now most of the population has a trait of blue color. Blue color is an adaptive trait. Individuals with purple or green color got eaten more than individuals with blue color, so they were less likely to survive. They had non-adaptive traits. Their colors were non-adaptive, so they were less likely to survive, and they didn't survive as much. Blue color is adaptive, that's more likely to survive, and they did survive more. So individuals with blue color survived longer and they reproduced more. And then most of the offspring that survived came from parents who had survived because they had blue color traits to pass on. So that's pretty much it. I think this will help a lot of you if you're confused on some of the past lessons. You need to make sure you press hand in on activity 3. There's just the prediction. And I do want to point out that we only started with blue, purple, and green. Therefore, we didn't end up with any random color like red. If you don't start off with red, you can't have red over here. I know it's not on here, but a lot of you on your histograms, you're showing that there is no trait. A trait does not exist in the initial population, then all of a sudden it's shown up in the final. If it doesn't exist at any level in the initial population, it cannot show up in the final population. Anyways, later.